All right, guys, I'll show you one last ride home, and we'll see what happens here. Hope you don't get sick with my video because it ain't great on this camera. But coming back from the swim in the hole. Rock City, let's climb. Open her up. The big incline. I think I go, which way do I go? I forgot. Oh no, I go this way. Thing flies too. For trail riding, it's all you need. Oh, there's our turn, I think. Whoop. We'll take a different route, or around this way. Yeah, and it's climbing some pretty good stuff here. I mean, nothing serious, but it's like butter with this thing. Pull a wheelie, watch out for the branch, run it right over. No problem. We gotta take a right here. Coming up on a road I gotta stop on before I get squished like a frog. Let's see, you see any cars coming? Nope. Okay, we are back. Ride a little wheelie. Maybe we can ride a little wheelie. Alright, a lot of fun. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See if I can turn this off.